What is up, YouTube? So today's video was gonna be tinting my tail lights. Now it's not gonna happen because I only have regular 10mm. I don't have a deep 10mm, which I really needed to take the tail light out. I could do it on the vehicle, but I really don't feel like covering the whole vehicle up. It's easier just to take the tail light out. And the reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to be doing the tail as you turn mod, which turns your brake light into your turn signal as well. And then I'm going to wire splice it to where you have both of these lamps turn on for when you're reversing your vehicle. So to dechrome the vehicle, which is what I want to do from the roof bars, if I keep this one up front, I'm going to get in contact with, I believe it's Import Equipment on Instagram. They have like a lens film that just places on that. I don't want to spray this just because I don't feel like taking the whole headlight housing out just to spray this little portion. So they're a really cool company, so I just want to do that right here. They have some for the tail lights, however it dechromes this, which is awesome, but it still leaves this open because this is supposed to be your turn signal. However, I'm going to be doing that modification that brings it down here and have a big bright freaking LED bulb in this, so it shouldn't ruin performance at all. It'll just make this a lot sleeker and dark to go along with the whole rest of the vehicle. So that was going to be the video today, but I need to go to Harbor Freight. I was just there the other day because this crappy Duralast set that I got from AutoZone, I believe it was AutoZone, broke the 1/4" ratchet. So I got this nice ratchet from Harbor Freight for like $6. And I was like, oh, maybe I should just get a socket set, but I was like, no, I don't. I'm sure this one has it all, and guess what? It doesn't have the 10, so that's what the video was gonna be today. But instead, I'm just gonna do a quick video for the subscribers, just gonna clean the back of the 4Runner and up front, just do a quick interior detail because we're finally done moving. We moved all the stuff into our house, and there's just hair back here, dust, cat crap, not like cat shit, but like cat hair and all this stuff too from them. So I'm just gonna vacuum, and my vacuum of choice that I use is the Rigid. This one's a blower vac, so actually this one's pretty cool because the top portion comes out and it's a blower. I just needed a little blower, and it's 6.5 horsepower. So I don't have the detailing hose yet, so I'm gonna be very careful with this hose with the plastic on the vehicle, but I'm eventually gonna get the detailer's kit, which has a rubber hose and smaller tubes and everything. So right now I'm just gonna use lightly this brush one on portions of the vehicle, and then this little guy right here on the carpet to get up all that dust and stuff. And then I'm gonna be using just the interior cleaner to hopefully get some of this dust off the plastic, which it should do well. And then I just got little bits of scratches here, which is fine, like this is gonna get scratched up anyways, but if I can get it all up now, then I will. So now that that's all vacuumed up, I'm just doing the back for now. We'll go ahead and grab our detail spray, and look how I repurposed this shelf. Oh yeah, there it is. So the detail spray that I use is it's from Chemical Guys, and it's the interior cleaner. I called these guys right because they don't really have a vinyl cleaner for vinyl seats. They have leather cleaner and stuff for leather seats, but since the Toyotas is the Softex, which is vinyl, I asked them like what I should use for it, and I let them know that I had this, and they said that this is actually okay to use for the vinyl seats, because I had gym chalk and everything on my shorts, and then when we went off-roading over Christmas, my wife got a bunch of mud all over her pants, so I just used this and cleaned it right up. So I'll leave a link down in the description for you guys. So basically, you can do it either, you can do it one of two ways. You could just spray it on your microfiber towel, or you can spray it on the surface. So like up there, I've learned to now like to do it just little bits on this to get in between all the buttons and everything. And since there's a lot of plastic back here, I'm just gonna go ahead and shake it up and just spray on it. Let it sit for a minute. Get all that dust. Got some stuff up in there, but just wipe it with the microfiber. Now the thing that I like about this spray is that it's a UV protectant also. So back here you're not going to get the most UVs because I have 5% tint, but up front on the dashboard when you're driving and stuff, you can't have your sun shield, you know, obviously while you're driving, so those UVs will make their way into your vehicle. And you know, people say, well, I use a sun shield and everything when I park it. Well, yeah, but you got to drive places, you know, to park, so the sun's going to be beaten down into your vehicle. So that's why I like this stuff too. And then also, since you can use it on the Softex seats, it'll keep it from cracking and everything too. So there you go. Doesn't leave that much of a shine to it at all. It's like a more natural, just vibrant, bringing back out the plastic. So it's not that oily, gross. Like if you use Armor All, that's nice, but I personally don't care for that super oily Armor All look to it. I like that plastic to look natural. Some of those lighter scratches that were here came up a little bit. I mean, it's plastic, so you know, plastic's gonna scratch over time. It's just deep gouges in the plastic, but you can see that it's not as white anymore. If you guys enjoyed this video, sorry it was a fail basically for the taillights, but I'll get that video to you guys this week hopefully. Go ahead and leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and go ahead and give me a thumbs down if there were things that you thought I could do differently. So this is just a very quick interior cleaning, so it wasn't in-depth, you know, like with stain removal or anything like that. Hopefully I never have to show you a video of stain removal, but I'll catch you guys in the next one.